Kajing suba penankam baklai kapisa Meghalaya Rural Bank kalapau perthai hadim belalap baya kapisa kabahadu san lak kam shimla poi shaka bank. Kitelong khubor ki yathu bawai briu la thep da ka fixed deposit kabahadu san lak tingka nong pendeng branch house nam arhaja khatsan. Baru la khmi lanti banyo sei nyo punyo lak mentau snem haba ka por balabu kalakut. Hindoi la ong ba onda la poi ha bank la pentip baya kate kapisa klam thep satya ha bank. Nakaliang Chief Vigilance Officer A.K. Bramau la pentikana banak MRB nong pendeng kala pentip halor kate ka jingja berka office sian kan sa syong jelang ban syem ya karai.
And then once that investigation is complete, then we'll find out who is guilty, who is responsible, right? And we have our own service regulations internal, as well as we report to the local police if it is criminal or other penal action is to be taken. Plus, we report it to our controllers like NABARD. Okay, so that proper process is there. Now, at this preliminary stage, we are conducting the investigation. Now, it has been reported by the branch to us. The branch that some misappropriation of fund has taken place. So, until investigation is concluded, we cannot perfectly say that what happened, what is not. And so as of now, the investigation is going on, and once it is completed, we will definitely proceed with our internal as well as external if required. And until the investigation is completed, say suppose somebody says 10 rupees was misappropriated, later on it might come out with more also. So amount we have not identified it until the investigation is fully not completed. We cannot say what is that. No, I am the Chief Vigilance Officer. Once anything is reported, I see whether vigilance angle is there or not. That means intentional. Sometimes things happen by mistake also. If intentional and there's a committee, internal advisory committee, they find out, then they declare it as fraud after the investigation is complete. So overall, I have to see if it is vigilance method, a strict action is taken against those people who are responsible and who have done the mischief.
So until now, we have not identified who are the culprits or how much.
We have assigned it to an investigator.
Okay.
That investigation will be completed. Then a report will come. Then only we will be able to find out who is responsible.
And even FIR has not been filed.
No, until we find out the actually
only after the investigation.
No, allegation is there.
Allegation is there.
Allegation of misappropriation.
Exactly. Allegation of misappropriation. But until we find out from our own sources, like even police, they will conduct the investigation first. Then only they will know. So right now, at this stage, the investigation is on. So once it is clear, definitely everything will come in black and white, and we can inform you further also.